foreign direct investment against the backdrop of the global economy and slightly higher interest rates. What's your confidence level in how the Kingdom is competing for capital and investment in 2024 and beyond?
Well, Stephen, thank you very much, and I'd like to reiterate what everybody has been saying all day: recognition and admiration for the great efforts of the organizers, His Excellency Abdullah Swaha, his team at MCIT, and the entire ecosystem there for doing what they've done. This has become truly a global event, the highest attended technology event, but I think sort of it resonates and echoes with what's been happening in Riyadh. Riyadh has become a convening place where great ideas are not only discussed, but where great ideas are created, where the future is not only imagined, but indeed created here. And you see it in the FII conference, you see it in the mining, the future mining conference, you see it in the defense show, which happened here a few weeks ago, and you're seeing it this week in LEAP. And in parallel with LEAP, I can tell you that we as the Ministry of Investment, me and my colleagues, are truly multitasking. We've got unrelated delegation of 300 to 500 investors from different sectors, different countries that are in the Kingdom. In a couple of days, we will be in Jeddah hosting the motoring world with the Formula One in Jeddah, and last week was the same, and next week was the same. So great attention being paid to Saudi Arabia, which brings me back to your question. The world is indeed looking for a safe haven to invest, not only from a security and safety and preservation of capital, but a place to go where you don't just preserve capital, but you create new capital through opportunities. And without exaggeration, and I know many people will say he's biased, of course, he is an investment from Saudi Arabia, but where else do you find a country that has the political stability coupled with the long-term vision that the Kingdom has, that His Royal Highness the Crown Prince has displayed since he's taken office and since Vision 2030, with the consistency, with the aspirations we have and the inspiration we create, with the comprehensiveness of the plan that we have laid out, not only for us, but for all of our global partners. You back that up with an economic strength. This is a country that is not only large in size, being number 17 globally, but a country that has a very high credit rating, pegged currency, a record of 90 years of respecting investor rights, ownership right, a country that is strategically located, a country that is not only fueled with a strong capital position and the economic and strategic drivers I mentioned, but a youthful population